Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum and MCRT. MCRT holding strong against Bitcoin today, up around 10 to 15% when Bitcoin has been dropping, which is epic. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to for Bitcoin, and on the 4 hourly, Bitcoin is heading up in this rising channel. The stochastic is now oversold. Time to be buying on the 4 hourly. A huge volume coming in for Bitcoin, almost one of the highest volume days in a long time. It's still in this rising wedge, which usually breaks to the downside, so we need to get above this $25,000 area to remain bullish, and we need to break this red line here, this one. Let's make it a thicker line so it's just more clearly visible. We need to break this downtrend line that has existed since November 11th, when I called the day of the top, and then Bitcoin goes very bullish. On the hourly, stochastic is also heading up quite strong. It's still got more room to run. Volume is coming in, and we are in this kind of rising or almost symmetrical triangle, but more rising triangle, which can break out to the upside, which will be the base of the triangle, taking us to 24K or the top of this channel. If you took that long from that video earlier today, it's already in the profits, which is beautiful. Move your stop loss into profits. On the 15 minutes, stochastic is quite overbought, turning down. So if you haven't yet opened a long, I would wait to open a long here at this support, and stop loss just underneath the 200 weekly moving average. Take profit at the top of the breakout. So I would make the trade a big one, targeting that breakout 25,000. So that gives us an 8.56 ratio trade, risking $203 to make $1,743. With 10x leverage, that'd be $17,000 of profits. So I'm going to share this trade in the chat room, the Telegram. If you want to trade, the link is down below in the description. You can sign up to Bybit to start trading. Now let's jump into, once you sign up to Bybit, so everyone go down below, click that link to sign up to Bybit, and with that link you get a trading account. Over on Bybit here, I've got around $479,596 US in here, almost $500,000 in here. Bitcoin 9.5, Solana 121,000 USDT, 88,000, Ethereum 3,400. My Bitcoin long is 9,245, and the profits 132%, which is beautiful. Magiccraft today is going amazingly strong against Bitcoin. Check out this. Today, Magiccraft right now is up 13% against Bitcoin and 14% against Ethereum and 10% against US dollars. So big congratulations, ranked 2,974. Market cap 7.8 million. Our goal is to get the market cap to the same level as Axie Infinity and take the #1 spot for play to earn gaming, which was $9 billion market cap. So a long way to go. The fully diluted 63 million and volume 1.2 million, and the chart is looking quite bullish for MCRT. Let's check on the technicals on MCRT. So MCRT, one of the biggest gainers today actually in the market. It's up the most, 3.4, while the rest of the market is kind of red, including stocks and cryptos. We're up 3.39%, which is beautiful. And it broke out of this bull pennant that I talked about, exactly as I actually talked about, and it's making a W formation. I'm the founder of this project, to be very clear, but the target is up here, 0.0073. Stochastic oversold overbought on the 15 minutes, on the hourly overbought, on the 4 hourly oversold. So it can be a little bit of a pullback, but it looks like it will move up towards that target area, 0.0 here. But again, I am the founder of this project, and we have some big news. A lot of influencers are getting involved in magiccraft MCRT. I'll show you that here. So for example, this is the magiccraft Twitter. You can follow it, magiccraft game, and you can see here Sixamo is one of the biggest crypto influencers in Japan, and he now holds, he tweeted about buying MCRT, so translate tweet. Speaking of which, I bought MCRT again, and this is some of the screenshots from inside the game. This is my team. These are team members. That's me, James, playing a Zap character, Matt, playing one of the Roman, Martin. These are our team members testing the beta version of the game, which is epic. This is one of the characters. You will be seeing MCRT integration and the NFT integration in upcoming public beta launch, which will be beautiful. Magiccraft is also the most traded Phantom token in the last 24 hours, coming fourth in Phantom. Alpaca coming first, so that's quite strong momentum from MCRT, one of the most popular ones in Phantom chain. And Mr. Magnum was tweeting a lot about magiccraft, and inside the Telegram group, I airdropped him 166,000 MCRT, $1,000 because he has been helping magiccraft grow. So make sure you're in the Telegram group helping the project grow. Our goal is to have more wallet holders of MCRT than BNB. Currently, they have 2 million holders. So that's what's been happening in the MCRT world. That's what's happening with Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum now, and then the stock market quickly. So let's go into Ethereum. Did I miss it? Ethereum. Oh, there. Checking out Ethereum, 1,694 on the daily overbought heading down. It broke that rising wedge, but it got a big bounce back. Let's see if it can. Now, this is very important for Ethereum, everyone. We need to break above this rising wedge, because this is how rising wedges actually work. They play out like this exactly. So it builds pressure and then it breaks down, retests, and if it fails, then it comes down. So hopefully this retest, we need to break back in for Ethereum. It's right on that line. Look at that. It got rejected. So it's very important. On the 4 hourly, we're quite oversold. On the hourly, it's already been rejected and heading down. So this can be very dangerous for Ethereum and the crypto markets. Really need to get a big movement here. I would actually short this if it broke, but I wouldn't want to be shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, because they are quite oversold. On the daily, they can pull back, but on the weekly time frames, it's actually very oversold, and the stochastic is heading up quite strongly. But we got to be a bit careful here. And also in the shorter term time frame, I still think that Ethereum is going to be doing something like this, creating an inverse cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, something like this, a formation similar to this, and then breaking out to the upside. So I would be careful also going short on Ethereum, because if it does break out, the target would be the base of the head. So this distance here of this inverse head and shoulders, it can be a big movement, which would be around this distance here for Ethereum. If that plays out, taking us to around 3,333. So I'd be careful shorting Ethereum here, but it can pull back just a little bit, so be aware of this. So that's what's happening in my Binance account. It's currently down today around $4,000. Bitcoin, I've got 10 Bitcoin, BNB 117, Solana 99,000, BUSD. Solana pulled back a lot. Actually, let's check what 4% today. Let's look at Solana on the technicals. Solana having a big pullback the last few hours. It's also broken out of the symmetrical triangle to the downside, unfortunately. If we can get a break back in, symmetrical triangles move the base of the triangle, this distance here. Stochastic is oversold heading up. 4 hourly also oversold heading up. So if we can, but it got rejected from this triangle. We need to break back above it to go to if we can break back above it for Solana, and then break out, we can go to the up there, and that will be, this trade is what I'll take, target 54, and that would be a big movement, 37% without leverage, 10x leverage, 370%. But again, it's a very important moment for Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum right now, for them to break out. MCRT is still going strong. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up. The next few hours are very important to see if they break back into these rising wedges and nullify these potential bearish patterns. Thank you for watching, everyone. Pay attention to MCRT. Thank you, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.